Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me Ishani back again with my another product review. In my today's review I'm going to talk about a hair product. Now this hair product is the brand is very well known all over the world and very like I think it's loved by everyone and is the only hair product that leaves your hair like when once you use it, it leaves your hair very soft, nourishing. And yeah, now let's start. Now the product I'm talking about is the Parachute Coconut Cream Oil. This is a cream oil which says that pre-wash hair nourisher, blend of coconut and coconut milk, 100% natural, nourishes in 30 minutes, wash it off in one shampoo. This is the product. I hope you can see it very well. Now this is a packed bottle. I bought it from Amazon. I got two bottles in an offer. So this is the product which I have used half of the bottle, and it is like very nice. I'm so much impressed with the product. First I will go in detail step by step. We'll talk about the packaging. The packaging comes in a pump bottle and plastic container, uh, a little bit of golden woody sort of color of the pump, and a white plastic container. And it comes in 150 ml and it retails for 120 rupees one bottle. And it is plastic. You throw it, you do it whatever you want to do with, you bang it over the wall, it will never break. And fun thing also I liked it that it is a reusable container. I really prefer reusable container a lot. And now we'll talk about the sorry now we'll talk about the quantity and the texture. So this is the one pump. We'll take just one pump is maximum for your hair. If you use two pump, it will be like oily hair. I use it after shampooing and conditioning my hair. I use it as a hair serum. It doesn't cause any harm on your hair. Believe me, it will leave your hair just as equivalent to as you put serum. It will leave your hair like that. So I have shampooed my hair in the morning, and I just applied conditioner. Nothing is there, no serum, nothing at all. So this is one pump maximum I've taken. And the texture is like too much of watery texture, but see, it is so light, and it leaves your hair like little bit a percent of oil, and very light. It doesn't even seem that you have applied a oil or serum. It leaves as soft as you want, as you desire. So this is a watery consistence, or maybe due to the temperature, it's summer in Kolkata, so maybe for that reason it is being too much of watery. It is slight of orange and little bit of yellowish, and it smells like such a cozy smell. Little bit of Dove, that Dove product, Dove soap, Dove का साबुन, shampoo, मतलब maximum Dove, थोड़ा बहुत perfume, little bit of baby something, baby sort of product. Like every sweetness, every coziness, fragrance is there in this product, and my mom loves it so much. She is so much impressed. She doesn't apply serum, nothing, but she is a big fan of this product. She always makes sure to apply it if she doesn't feel like applying oil. So I'm taking this much. One pump is maximum. Even if you have a long hair, one pump is maximum, not more than that. If you want to make your hair look more oily, dewy, and like sweaty or wet sort of hair, then you can take two pump. So I am rubbing it. I'm rubbing it just to show you all. See, it is shiny. It looks like oily, but it is water, plain water, nothing. I'm applying it. I'm applying on this part of my hair. See, you can see it looks oily, but once it gets dried up, it it is like my hair got dried. It is said that I feel like applying on wet hair, but my hair has been dried, so I'm applying on my dried hair. It smells like such a cozy smell, and like it makes your day. You do your hair wash, you go to office, you go out for work, it will make your day. Like every time you'll have this smell, and it will make you feel more fresh. And even if you are not that cream oil sort of person, or if you use that Pantene replacement oil, that is exactly this one, and that Pantene is exactly this one. Both are brother and sister. So if you don't get that Pantene oil replacement, hair oil replacement, then buy this one. This is, trust me, exactly the same own brother of that product, and that product is also like they are siblings, only the brand is different. But this one, if someone says me to rate Pantene oil replacement and parachute cream oil, then this will get 9 out of 10, and that will get 7, because the quantity of that product is little bit of thick and smells like little bit of chemical, and it needs lot more of quantity. I'll do it in my comparison product. And this is very nice, very nice. You, even children can use it. You can use it over your children's hair, and it does no hair fall, nothing, no itching, nothing. It is very, very, like, it gets 100 out of 100. Please try it. This is not a paid review, but it is my personal honest review. Please try it. People who use serum, please try, just try, एक बार try करके देखो, इतना अच्छा है ये product. So I hope you have seen it, how I'm using it, how my hair seems after using the product. थोड़ा बहुत ऑयली लगेगा, जैसे ही ड्राई होगा एकदम से सॉफ्ट, और ऐसे लगेगा जैसे सेरम लगा के रखे हैं, एकदम भी ग्रीसी नहीं है, एकदम भी नहीं. So this was all for my today's review, and I hope you have liked, and I hope I was very much clear in explaining you every core detail of the product. And if you have liked, then please make sure to like and subscribe, and please motivate me in making new product reviews. I'll be very much thankful if you show so much of love and like boosting my confidence. So this was all. I'll meet you next time with my another product review. Till then, bye.